Hi, this is John with ProCare Services of Mission Viejo. I am down in Newport Coast right now where a homeowner took a shower this morning, and when they went down into their kitchen there was water all over their kitchen cabinets and countertop. What seems to have happened is a line has broken, a waste line has broken up inside the soffit above the cabinets. We're going to go inside, I'm going to show you what's going on and kind of give you a play-by-play. What we have here is right above these cabinets, there is a drain line that the plumber has found that seems to be the problem. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove these cabinets. We're going to prop up this granite right here because the water has fallen down between the drywall and the stucco in between the wall here and has come all the way down to the cabinets. Since it's wastewater, we're going to handle this as what we call Category 2, possibly Category 3 water damage, because it is wastewater, non-potable water. So with that, what we normally do is we want to get all the insulation out inside here so that way we can treat it and make sure that there's no contamination. With these poles, we're getting ready to set up a containment so that way the dust and debris stays inside. We'll put some drying equipment along with some air scrubbers inside there to keep the pollutants from coming outside. As you can see, we have poles over here, poles over here. These are zip walls, which I've been telling you all along that we just love. These are 12-foot zip walls, and they're just a phenomenal tool to use in the restoration industry. Here we are at the Newport Beach job where the homeowner was taking a shower upstairs this morning, and when they came downstairs to the kitchen, there was water all over the counter and coming through the cabinets. Well, it looks like they have had an issue for a little while because, as you can see, there's some very extensive mold going on behind this drywall, or excuse me, behind the cabinets and behind the drywall. Some pretty extensive mold behind the cabinets and the drywall. So I'm assuming that it's going to come all the way down and go down behind these cabinets. What we did do is we set up a containment real quick. My son Blake over here is putting the final touches on it. He's going to put a zipper in so we can go in and out temporarily so we can at least get the cabinets out, and then we'll make the containment a little smaller for the drywall removal. We have an air scrubber in here so that way we can capture most of the pollutants during the removal of the drywall and the cabinetry. The zip walls that we have here, as you can see, we're using these again as we just love this product to hold up our containments. Today we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, looks like 9 holes that we're going to use to keep this containment up. We use a 6 mil plastic so that it's very tough, and that's what mold remediation protocol calls for, is a 6 mil plastic to be used. We use a fire rated plastic so that way it will minimize any issues if we ever have anything such as that. You can see that the mold, it actually goes in behind the cabinets, and most likely when we open this up back here, it's going to be pretty ugly. So we're definitely going to have to suit up for this to minimize any exposure to us. So it looks like possibly a screw from the original builder went through the drain line from the cabinet. It seems that that may be it because all the other screws seem to be okay, but that screw right up here seems to be rusted. So we will open that up and take a look and see if we're correct on that.
Here we are. We've removed the upper cabinet. You can see the back side. It's pretty moldy. Back here, the other one is very moldy. It just keeps on getting bigger and bigger and it's growing. As you can see, it's been going on for quite a while. Inside this wall, I'm sure it's going to be pretty bad. So what we have done, we set up the containment. As you can see, once we get started, we will start putting everything in a 6 mil plastic bags, tape it up, take it out to our truck through the containment. We're concerned about the lowers. They're most likely going to have an issue too. We're hoping that it's not as bad as up here. As you can see, there's kind of like a water ring that comes down, but this is a common thing that we normally see in a water damage where somebody has not taken care of the job properly by hiring a water mitigation expert. This is a very common thing, especially in the kitchen, because you have a lot of heat and you also have a wall that has sun shining on it, so you get the warm with the water inside. It acts as a perfect place for breeding mold. It almost acts like a petri dish growing. So do not let your house go without some type of moisture survey done. It's free. We'll do it for free. Any house in Orange County, South Orange County, that has had a leak in the last 5 days. We don't want this to happen to you. It's a lot easier just to remove the drywall and to set up some drying equipment than to have to do a mold remediation. This is going to be very expensive. We removed the cabinets. We removed the drywall, the insulation. You can see where the issue has been going on for quite a while. Up above here is definitely a drain line that has failed. We removed the lower cabinets, and you can see the mold is pretty extensive. We've looked inside. We've removed the drywall, and you can see it's pretty bad inside. It's very wet. This insulation, you can see, definitely been going on for a while. If you have had a water damage in the past, in the last 5 days, give us a call if you're in South Orange County, and we'll come out and do a free moisture check to make sure that you don't have this happen to you. This could be completely preventable by just having somebody come out and check. Sometimes there is hidden and you don't know it that it's going on, but most of the time it's from past water damage issues that haven't been taken care of properly. Thank you for watching. John at ProCare Services in Mission Viejo. We can be reached at 949-463-7054 for a free moisture survey.